Hey guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the TikTok ads automated rules. Automated rules is a feature which basically helps you with taking certain actions when certain conditions are met. So this works like an automated optimization steps, which continuously works at the back end. To give you a simple example, let's say I'm running a particular campaign for a client, and the client has told me that for the TikTok ads, there is a certain budget which has to be used only and we cannot exceed that budget. Let's say they have asked me that the budget should not exceed more than $5,000 a month. So in such a case, I can create an automated rule wherein this job would be to daily check the spend of the campaign and see whether it has reached $5,000 or not. The moment it reaches $5,000, it is the action it has to take is it has to pause that campaign. So that becomes an automated rule setup which we can do, and it works automatically at the back end and optimizers takes the action when those specific conditions are met. So let's have a look at it, how you can use this on the platform. So once we're on the campaign, on the tools section under management, you have automated rules. So this is where you can create various automated rules. So you can create a rule of your own, or there are some pre-built rules created by TikTok, which you can use. So here you can see control budget. This will turn off ads with unexpected high cost. So let's see this. It says, so this is the condition. If the total cost increases a certain amount, then we turn off. Okay. So this is how you can just simply apply, and this can be applied to any of the campaigns. If you want to create a rule, you can do it from here where you can set the conditions first. So here you can set the conditions, let's say the total cost, or let's say conversions. Okay. So if we say the conversions is less than, let's say 1, which basically means there are no conversions, then we take the action that we need to reduce the daily budget. Okay, because we are spending too much money, we can decrease it by a certain amount. Okay, we can decrease it by a certain amount, let's say in this manner. And here, now, if you keep on decreasing the daily budget, it will end up, if this rule continuously gets applied, then a time will come when the budget will become 0. Now, that also you don't want. Let's say your current budget is at $300 and if this action gets applied, then it will become 250, and like that it will keep on reducing. So you can also put a cap over here that the minimum daily budget should remain till $50. So that you can set here, and you can also set up an action frequency cap as well, let's say once a time. And with this, you can build out the rule. So this rule's job would be ideally to look at conversions. And if the conversions are less than 1, then the job would be to decrease the daily budget by 50 pounds. This is how we can build automated rules, guys, inside the TikTok ads platform. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand the concept behind TikTok, behind automated rules, how you can use them to optimize your campaigns on a continuous basis.